What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be going over whether or not you should be buying Tesla at its current stock price. Tesla has been beaten down pretty badly all the way from about $900, selling off with the rest of the tech market. The tech market has been getting hit the most with the recent market sell-off, so I'm going to be showing you guys the technicals on Tesla, going over the support and resistance levels, and whether or not you should be buying it right now. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a trading community where you can ask me questions about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So now that we have Tesla here pulled up on the charts, first things first, when I'm looking for a swing trade or looking to buy into a stock, I first look at the overall trend of the stock. And this is clear to Tesla that we're in a uptrend. Obviously, we've been trending upwards for over the past year or so, and it looks very, very attractive. Now, the next thing I always do is look for areas where I can get a good deal on the stock, right? When a stock is in an uptrend, you don't really want to be buying at the all-time highs or at the peaks. You want to wait till it cools down, bounce around support levels, and then hop in there. So first things first, I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame, talk about some of the key levels Tesla has been forming over the past few days and whether or not you should be buying it. But first, as we can see on the bigger picture, Tesla is in an uptrend. When we fell from about $900, we fell all the way down to about $555. And if we look here, that was actually a support level right all the way back here from last year in August. We can see we wicked down all the way to there and it bounced from that previous swing high back in August. So this is why it's good to look at the bigger picture even when you're swing trading or looking to buy a stock. But now let's hop down to the 1 hour and see what Tesla has been doing over the past few days. So right here we're on the 1 hour time frame, and first thing right off the bat, I see that Tesla fell to this low of 540 and then we started to reverse. Well, after this, we can see that also it's been forming a nice support level right around here, which is right around this 660, even 655 zone. It's about a $10 zone, and we can see that Tesla has had nice support levels right around this zone. Right? When we fell around here, we wicked down out of the zone, closed in it, and then had a nice green 1 hour back above the zone. And then we retested over here, popped up again. This is when the market was selling off pretty heavily. We fell through the support, had a nice bottom right around here, and then quickly reversed back above. So right now we can see Tesla is right above our support zone, and this is a good thing to see. We can also, if we zoom in a little bit more, we'll see that the RSI is oversold, which shows that Tesla is undervalued on the 1 hour time frame, plus the MACD is starting to curl up. These are both bullish signs that I like to see on these two indicators. Honestly, the MACD is one of my favorite indicators because it shows that the momentum is shifting to the buyers or sellers. And right here we can see that the momentum is shifting to the buyers. So would I be surprised if Tesla over the next day or so retests this support line and then bounce up? I would not be surprised. I honestly think that's exactly what's going to happen. And honestly, right now this stock is looking pretty bullish. After that, another thing that I like to map out are my resistance areas. Where can Tesla possibly get rejected from and start to fall? Or where can it break above so that I can go long? And if we look right here as well, same on the 4 hour, there's a key resistance area. And again, this is zones of resistance. We can see that right around here, this top level, we've been struggling to get above. Now this is kind of big of a zone. However, this is the area that I want to see Tesla break above. If it can break above this 705, 709 area, this is definitely a sign to go long. I'm going to go long right around these support levels, but if Tesla can clear this zone of resistance right here, then we will definitely start to see some upside. Now, I'm also going to go onto the daily time frame and show you guys what's going on the higher time frame as well. So as I said before, on the 1 hour, Tesla has been kind of bouncing within this range over the past few days, and we're looking for it to break above. We can see that there's these long wicks actually on Thinkorswim. I think that's an error. I don't think that Tesla ran up that high and then closed that low. However, if we can close above this range, then we'll start to see more upside and then start to test upper resistance levels, which we can see one is actually right here at 763. So I definitely want to see Tesla over the next few days kind of get out of this range and start to move to the upside. As I said before, the MACD is a great indicator to use. We can also see that it crossed in the upward direction on the daily time frame as well. So this is a bullish sign, not only on the 1 hour, but also on the higher time frame, which is more sustainable than the 1 hour. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is QQQ. QQQ tracks a lot of the big tech stocks, and Tesla's actually in this ETF. Now, if we look over the past year with QQQ, we'll see that it has major support around this 100 SMA. The 100 SMA is this blue line right here on my chart, and if we see, we came down to this 100 SMA, bounced off. Now, if we zoom over to the closer time, we again fell to this 100 SMA and started to form newer highs. So given the fact that Tesla is in a QQQ, and this tracks the top 100 holdings for the NASDAQ, and given the fact that this is also rising in the upward direction, we have that bullish crossing on the MACD. Tesla as well should follow suit because this ETF tracks the broader market of the tech stocks. So if we look at the broader market, we can see it's in an uptrend. We had that nice pullback and we're starting to creep up to our previous highs. Tesla should follow suit, as I said before, and we should start to see some nice gains on Tesla pretty soon. So that is my honest opinion about Tesla. I think it's a great buy right around 670. Honestly, if you can snag it for about 660 when it pops into this zone, or even wicks down, that's a steal in my opinion. Long term, this thing is going to keep going up, and I wouldn't be surprised if it reached $1,000 again by the end of the year. Tesla is pretty expensive, so I do recommend you guys doing call debit spreads if you want to swing this stock. The premiums for Tesla can get very pricey, but doing a call debit spread is still a bullish move on the stock, and it's about $200 to $300, maybe upwards of $500 depending on the width of the spread. So let me know what you guys think about Tesla. I honestly think it's a steal right here in my opinion, and I want to know if you guys will be playing this as well. As you guys saw earlier in the video, Tesla isn't a bad buy right now. It's right around that 660 support area that I talked about, and I can definitely see us bouncing from here on up. Tesla overall is in a nice uptrend, so I want to know if you guys will be buying this stock in the comment section down below. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.